Hi, Daniel. Thank you very much. So, how would you define a dance house, your dance house?
Dancehouse, it's in Vitry-sur-Seine, it's near Paris. It's southeastern in suburban Paris. It's named La Briqueterie. It was an old factory, and they opened in March 2013 after two years of works, and it was an old factory which was the very biggest brick factory during 100 years. It was founded in 1867 and it was closed in 1966. It was a very famous brick yard, and now it's a dance house. It's a very nice dance house because we have a space with 3 rows of studios under the roof, and it's quite a large space with 8 meters from the roof, 14 meters for the large, and there is a lot of lights, many windows, and it's a great atmosphere. It was in the old building, and the new building is a theater. And we have 186, and we have also an outside space near the street and landscape garden. It's very nice to make some choreography in the garden, in the outside of the brickyard, and it's a very nice space to circulate inside.
So, how can dance be sustainable for you in terms of programming dance or sustain dance on the economic side or on the artistic side for you and for your house?
Yeah, we have a program of residencies, and also we have a program of Biennale de Danse. It's a dance festival each 2 years. It's a very old festival. It was created in 1979, and now we have a new house, a new home, new house for dance. It's very interesting to make some links between the dance festival and the residency. It's a residency to make the works and to make sounds and lights inside before to show in the theater around. And we receive subsidies from the state and from the department. It's a very strong help from the department, and we receive also the subsidies from the country and from the town of Vitry-sur-Seine.
So, why did you choose the dance world as your career?
I began my career as with a theater, and I work during 10 years in the theater, and I chose the dance because it's a very nice. There are very nice teams of dance, and very creative and very fluent and very expressive. And I think in dance it's the best way for arts now. It's very good to find new ways of thinking and to have to move, to have to explain something about the world, and it's very nice. It's a very nice work.
So, as a director of a dance house, what is your best advice to a dance artist today?
Best advice, I don't know, but perhaps dancers have to meet together, to have to make some connection with others, with the strangers, they have to make mobility in the world, and then to exchange a lot.
And which do you think will be the future of the EDN network after after these 2 days of sharing ideas and discussions about the network of dance houses in Europe?
I think we have to build some new new dance house. It's very interesting to have a dance house in the world. And we in France, for example, we want to build other dance houses because it's a big start for dance.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.